morning students, welcome to the moral class, and today we are going to discuss chapter 3, which is playing fair. This is the story of two good friends, Ayush and Yash. And what is the aim of this story? This is the aim of this story to motivate the children to be honest and truthful in their attitude, and to make them understand honest person always remain happy and peaceful, and to make them understand that playing game with honesty includes being trustworthy, loyal, fair and sincere. Okay, so let's start the story. This is the story of two good friends, Ayush and Yash. They are good friends. Both of them study in the same class. They always compete with each other in a healthy manner. Once both get selected for a annual poem recitation competition. The first prize is a glittering trophy. So each wants to win the trophy in the competition. They choose their poem carefully and spend a lot of time in practicing. So a week before a competition, Ayush asked Yash, "Which poem have you prepared?" Yash tells him that he has selected a poem about a word. Ayush says, "Have you practiced it? Do you know it by heart?" "Oh yes, I do," replies Yash. Yash replies, "Oh yes, I do." Then Ayush said, "Let me hear it." So Yash recites his poem to Ayush. He also tells him that he is going to carry a hand puppet of a bird for his recitation. "Now it's your turn, Ayush. Which poem will you be reciting?" Yash asked, "Now it is your turn, Ayush. Which poem will you be reciting?" Ayush is a bit jealous of the way Yash has learned to recite his poem. Ayush lies to him. "I have not selected any poem yet." Ayush tells a lie. "But today is Tuesday and competition is on Friday. How will you prepare for it?" "Oh, don't worry, I will learn it today." Ayush continues to lie. On Wednesday, Yash gets unwell and misses school. On Wednesday, Yash couldn't come school. Their teacher announces that the recitation competition will now be held on Thursday. "Ayush, will you please inform Yash about the change since he lives near your house?" asked the teacher. Then Ayush replied, "Yes, I will," but decides not to tell Yash about the changing. Okay, the next day when Yash comes to school, Ayush pretends that he forgot to inform him about the change of date of the competition. Yash is upset because he has not brought his hand puppet. On that day, he has not brought his hand puppet. No one has informed him about the change in the date of the competition. In fact, he is so nervous. Yash was so nervous that he forgets his poem while reciting. Ayush is now declared. Now Ayush tells her poem and Ayush is declared the winner, but he does not feel as jealous as he should, as joyous as he should. Ayush does not feel as joyous as he should. True, he has won the beautiful trophy. Ayush has won the beautiful trophy, but he has also lost a friend. Ayush lost his friend Yash. He is so ashamed of himself that he is unable to look at himself in the mirror. He was so ashamed to himself that he is unable to look at himself in the mirror. So children, we all need to know what it means to be honest. Honesty is more than not lying. It is trust telling, truth speaking, truth living and truth loving. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is the lesson that story teaches about how to behave in the world. The moral of the story is supposed to teach you how to be a better person. The moral of the story is don't cheat your friend who believe you most and gives unbearable pain forever. It gives unbearable pain forever. So children, if you succeed in cheating someone, don't think that the person is fool. Realize that the person trusted you much more than you deserve. Okay, so never cheat your friend. Always play the fair game and love your friends and relatives. Okay, so read this story again and you will try to find the question answer. If you are getting, you can write. Okay, so read the chapter and have a nice day.